So welcome back to the channel. My name is Mukul Pava. I'm a second generation real estate agent based out of Gurgaon, actively working in Gurgaon market, and today we are standing in phase 5 of DLF, and we'll be covering a project delivered by DLF back in 2010. This is DLF Icon, and we are standing in the central greens of the project. So behind me what you can see is the central greens area of the premises, and this has been beautifully maintained up till now, and the project remains in good demand. There are total two sizes of apartments over here. The one is 2800 square feet for 4 BHK and one is 2600, and we'll be checking out 2600 layout today. And this is how the area is looking. So all the park facing units you'll be getting at a premium in the market, and all the back facings are a little थोड़ा सा आपको difference मिलता है pricing में. So जो आपको central greens की तरफ जो facing मिलती है वो थोड़ी सी high prices पे मिलती है. मेरे पीछे the beautiful property you are looking at, this is DLF Pinnacle. यहाँ पे 3900 square feet के 4 BHK apartments and layouts are very good. Over here as well you are getting good layouts, so you can do the difference later on. And let me take you towards the sample flat. Before that I'll just brief you the exteriors, how the premises is maintained, and then we'll be checking out the layout. So this is your jogging track of the condominium, and then I wanted to show you how the greens are maintained, and then we'll be checking out the layout after this. So this is the stilt parking area, and then you have the basement level as well, and these are all the structures. Gas pipeline is there, everything is there. Property is maintained quite nicely, and then this is how the area is looking. So these are tower A, B and C. So right now I am walking behind tower A, B and C. So जो ये वाली units आपको facing मिलेगी, this will be good. And then इसके सामने ही जो towers लगते हैं वो tower D और E लगते हैं. So these two towers are tower D and E. I'll be showing you a unit in this tower on 11th floor, opposite side, swimming pool facing unit. And then this is how the parks are for the kids. And then you have a tennis court. There is a half basketball court, a mini club of DLF in the area where you're getting a swimming pool, a spa, and one or two other things. Not much of the lavishness, but address is good. I mean, location is good, so the project is quite alive. So this is how the front porch area is. So this is how your drop off zone is. तो यहाँ पे आपकी विजिटर पार्किंग है, एंड देन सम नॉर्मल कार पार्किंग्स एज वेल. और यहाँ से आपकी गाड़ी आती है, एंड देन यू कम आउट ऑफ द टावर लॉबी, you get ready, and then you are good for the day. So this is how the front porch area looks of the condominium. So now I'll be taking you towards the unit. So currently we are standing in the lift lobby area of tower D. So we are on currently 11th floor, and there are two fire exits on both of my ends. There are two elevators, one service, one passenger, and there are total 4 apartments per floor. So 2 of the units are down this side, one on right, one on left, and the other 2 are right over here. So the apartment which I'm showing you, this is a sample unit, so you guys can have a pretty good idea how the layouts were being delivered back in 2010-11 when DLF delivered this project. So this is the main entrance door of this unit. This is a 2600 square feet of 4 BHK plus servant, and we are standing on the main entrance door. While we are entering inside, we are facing west, exit is east, and just next to it, this area, this is the servant's room. So I can show you how the space is. So this is the servant area. So this is the room which you can occupy as a study from inside. You can break this wall and then add this as a study room, and then you can have there is a good size of bathroom which has been given. So this is the study area or servant room or maid room, whatever you want to call it. So this was it, and then we are back on the main entrance door. Entrance is west, exit is east. This is how the layout is opening up. So this was the foyer area, and then the layout opens up in L-shaped level dining area, and this is how the size is. This is 2600 square feet of 4 BHK, I have already told. And then standing from here, I'll briefly explain the layout. On my right side, you have this first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. It has attached restroom and the balcony. On my front, this is the L-shaped living dining, which also has the balcony. So the guest bedroom and the living dining area shares a common balcony, and then you have the kitchen, and then other 3 bedrooms are down this side. So this is how the layout is. So we'll be exploring it room by room, and I'll show you the guest bedroom first. how the guest bedroom is looking. So this is how the first bedroom is. This is the guest bedroom. Before showing you the whole layout, I'll add this disclaimer that this inventory is not available on rent or sale. This has already been vacated and rented out. So things happen very quickly over here in this condominium, and this was the only apartment I had for you guys to have a virtual look. So the layouts will be totally same, so you guys can have a pretty good idea of how the layouts are. Back to the walkthrough, we are in first bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. As I have told, you are getting a common balcony, and then which is connected with the living section, and this is how the thing is. So you have the living section balcony right over here. So this is how the balcony looks, and then this is how the bedroom is, and your beds will be facing like this, and that's where your TV unit is connected with the first bathroom. So this is how the bathroom is looking. You have the bathroom like this. So this is your shower space, and then you have the cubicle right on this side. So this was the first bedroom and the bathroom. Coming out, we are back in the living dining section. This is your front facing balcony. Now we can have a look how the view is from this apartment. So this is a unit number 3. So we are on the back side. So this apartment is facing the swimming pool. So this is how the view is from down below, and then you have the views of the city in that very area. That is Western Heights, again delivered by DLF in the same time of this property. 2-3 साल पुरानी है इससे, and rest the layouts are totally almost similar like this property. Coming back inside, we are in the living section, and that's where we entered from. This was the wall I was talking about. So इसके पीछे ही आपका servants room है, and if you would like to have it converted into a study room, so you can carve out this wall, and then you can use it as a study room, because it also has an attached restroom with it, which is very decent in size. Walking down inside, this is your dining area, and then you have this beautiful marvelous kitchen inside. You will be loving the size of it. And this is how the kitchen is. You guys can easily look out how the size is. Let me check if I can switch on the lights. Wow. So this is how you are getting countertops on both the ends. यहाँ पे आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर की जगह है, and यहाँ पे इन्होंने कुछ स्लाइडर डोर का काम कराया हुआ है. But obviously the unit is not available, so we'll move. And then you have the utility balcony right over here. So this is the utility balcony. You can add up your washing machine, or you can do whatever sorts of things you have. And then sun आपको mostly आ जाता है, because this is west facing. तो आपको इस particular tower में, D tower में, इस facing unit आपको दोपहर के बाद की धूप मिलेगी, around 1:30 के आसपास के बाद की. And then we are back in the living dining section. यहाँ से आपका जो ये वाईफाई कनेक्ट कर रहा है all 3 bedrooms को. So bedroom number 1. And then you have some storage area, mostly in all the DLF apartments in Pinnacle, Western Heights, or like Icon. You are getting these storage areas. So mostly people have constructed wardrobes. You can make your sort of things. This is bedroom number 2, and this is how the size is. You are getting very good size of bedrooms in this location. We are on Golf Course Road, Phase 5, and this is a 2600 square feet of सुपर एरिया वेर यू गेटिंग 4 BHK. वार्डरोब्स आपके लेफ्ट साइड में है. लेट मी यस ओके परफेक्ट. वार्डरोब्स आपके यहाँ पे हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ द वार्डरोब्स आर, एंड देन कुछ यू कैन हैव अ प्रीटी गुड आइडिया हाउ बिग द रूम इज. आपके पीछे ही इसका रेस्टरूम है. दिस इज हाउ द रेस्टरूम इज लुकिंग. सो दिस इज हाउ योर रेस्टरूम स्पेस हैज बीन गिवन, एंड देन you can have a look. Shower space is separate, and then you have the good amount of area inside. So this was bedroom number 2, and we are back inside the alley. So you are getting 2 bedrooms on one of my right and one on my left. So this is the bedroom number 3. So again, on the entrance on the right side you have a restroom, and then good space has been given, and then you have the space for your beds, then the wardrobes. This room is comparatively a little smaller as compared to all 3 rooms, but still you are getting a good amount of size. Wardrobes आपके already intact होते हैं, so you can have an idea of how the space will be. And then यहाँ से आपको balcony मिल जाती है. Let me Try to open it. So this is how your balcony is. So from this balcony you are getting views of swimming pool only, and then which is looking very pretty, and then you have a nursery down there, and then there is half basketball court. Coming back inside, so the project is totally, there are total 5 towers, A, B, C, D and E, and mostly the sizes are of 2600 and 2800 square feet. Both the typologies are of 4 BHK. So there is marginal difference. अगर आप जो ये layout देख रहे हैं 2600 square feet का है, and then we will be looking out at 2800, तो आपको marginal difference मिलेगा दोनों layouts में, not very much. So this is how the things are, and then we are entering in the 4th bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom. You have the bathroom on your entrance, you have the connected thing over here as well, and then you have a pretty good size of room in here as well. Again, wardrobes on the right, 2 proper good size wardrobes are being constructed. You guys can have idea on the space, like how the space is of the wardrobes. Wardrobes बनाने के बाद में आपको इतना space मिल जाता है इस room में, so you can easily move around and place your beds. यहाँ से आपको you are getting very decent lighting, and then this is how the 4th bedroom is. So we will be going back inside the living dining section. So this is DLF Icon Phase 5, 2600 square feet, 4 BHK plus servant layout, which I have shown you. So also mentioning the asking price and the rental value inside this condominium DLF Icon. So for 2600 square feet, the current pricing going on as of April 2023, this is 5.5 crores for this layout, and then it totally depends upon the facing. If you are getting a park facing inventory, the pricing tends to shift a little bit, and then the rental value of these properties are 1.3 plus maintenance. So you're getting 1,30,000 as a owner, or you are paying 1,30,000 as a tenant plus maintenance for this layout in phase 5 of Gurgaon. So this was pretty much the whole tour of this property. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will mention all the sizes and layouts of this property in the description box below. So do check that out, and do let us know how good the video was. Thank you so much for being till here. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one very soon. Thank you.